Hello and welcome to the KWIZ Form app training guide. This series of videos will help you get the most out of the app and should give you the confidence to implement it within your setting. Let's begin with installing the app to a SharePoint site. To download a free trial, go to quizcom.com using your web browser. Select M365 apps from the drop-down menu and select KWIZ Form app. From here, you will be taken to the KWIZ Form app page for Microsoft 365. There is lots of useful information and documentation you can access here to further your understanding of the Forms app, including many more training videos like this one. From this page, select Free Trial link and begin the installation. The link will take you directly to the KWIZ app setup wizard. If you are setting up the Forms app for the first time, it would be good to check that you have set up your SharePoint app catalog before attempting this installation. Once you know the SharePoint site is ready, either type or copy paste the URL address into the designated area and select Connect. You will then be taken to the second part of the installation site configuration. If you are an administrator to your SharePoint site, you may need to configure permissions, follow the instructions, and then select the Confirm Permission Granted. However, if you are a non-administrator, then you will need to ask one of your administrators to configure these settings for you. Once this has been selected, you are given two options to deploy the KWIZ Forms app. These are Deploy and Deploy Globally. By selecting Deploy, you will only deploy the app to the SharePoint site you selected. By selecting Deploy Globally, it will deploy to add sites in your tenant, which can only be performed by a tenant administrator. You should then receive a Your site was configured successfully message. This acknowledges you have set up the KWIZ app. Once this message appears, you can select the Install Products button, and this will take you back to the SharePoint site and straight to the app settings. In the next video, we will look at how we can adjust these settings within the app. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoy using KWIZ Forms.